Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper. In additional of it's Monday, August the 10th, 2020. Yes, and the fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle, and this puzzle will be number 1321. Yes, 1321. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one, 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 between two O's comes in one. Double one, here and O, there and O, double O, double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, then O, double one, here and O, then O. Between two, we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. We have here 3 1's in this row. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and one, there one. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. This is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then one, two, three, 3 1's. If I place the number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Then I think I need to compare. Yes, the second row and this row, empty box, O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, 1, 1, O, O, empty box. So I need to switch these 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. And then I need to compare again. I think here. Alright. Let me see. This row and that row. We have a O, empty box, O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes, I need to switch these 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Do I need to compare again? I think so. How about this row and the last row? 001100 empty box 001111. Yes, I need to switch these two numbers. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Still cannot continue. How about the first row and this row? Oh no, not this row. This row was a wrong row. Alright, this one. 000011 empty box 110011. Correct. I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, this one. A lot of comparing rows. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last Sudoku in this additional. It will be a tectonic one. So see you later and bye bye.